Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cheese with Paneer. First, gather your ingredients: 1 gallon of whole milk and about 1/4 cup of lemon juice or vinegar. Heat the milk gently in a large pot over medium heat until it just begins to boil. This initial step is crucial for achieving the right texture. Once it reaches a boil, you're ready for the next stage of curdling. Once your milk is boiling, remove it from the heat and slowly add your acidic agent, like lemon juice or white vinegar. Stir gently for about 30 seconds. You'll quickly see the milk solids, or curds, separate from the greenish liquid, which is the whey. Let it sit for 10 minutes to ensure full separation. This step is key to getting distinct curds for your paneer. After straining, gather the corners of your cheesecloth and rinse the curds under cold, running water for about 1 minute. This washes away any residual acid and helps cool the paneer. Now, twist the cheesecloth to squeeze out as much liquid as possible. Place the bundled curds on a flat surface, put a heavy weight on top, and press for at least 2 hours to form a firm block of paneer. Your homemade paneer is now ready to enjoy. You can cut it into cubes and use it in various dishes, from curries to stir-fries. To store it, place the paneer in an airtight container, submerged in fresh water, and refrigerate. It will stay fresh for up to 5 days. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your kitchen adventures. Enjoy your delicious, homemade cheese.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.